Hey everybody, how are you guys doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have some confirmed spoilers for the BoxyCharm and BoxyLuxe box for September. Now these were confirmed by Joe himself, and I found these on BoxyCharm Sneak Peek on Instagram. So these are some confirmed palettes. Now I don't know exactly which palettes are going to be in here, but these brands will definitely be variations in both of these boxes. So first we have Too Faced, then Violet Voss, and then Tarte. And again, these are going to be 3 different variations that will be in the September BoxyLuxe and BoxyCharm box. So as soon as they reveal any more, I will update you guys. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you do want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.